What's up, guys? This is Justin Spencer here, and this is the top 6 malls that I've been to in Manila, Philippines. Coming in at number 6, we've got Uptown Mall. This is located near BGC. It's a beautiful mall, very nice interior design, lots of shops. Basically, you've got the mid-range to higher-end stores in this particular mall. Great restaurants, great overall vibe. It also has an outdoor section as well, not just an interior section. It also has Texas Roadhouse. They have a glass Starbucks. They've got a glass chapel, a nice, again, outdoor area where you can go to get some food. It's overall fantastic, and it came in at number 6 out of the top 6. Ranking number 5 is SM Aura. This is an interesting mall. It smelled like popcorn on complete steroids when I was in there. A very nice interior design. You've got the mid-range shops, a little bit lower range shops. You've got some interesting stuff going on in here that you won't see in the other malls. Pretty nice food court, very nice cinema. Again, smells incredible. They have a rooftop section for kids or just to get some fresh air. This sushi place was fantastic. You order and it comes to you in a race car. You definitely got to try it out. And here's the name of it right here, Genki Sushi. Coming in at number 4 was Market near the BGC area. This place was very loud, almost feels like a concert stadium type of theme, or like a cross between like a Chuck E. Cheese's, if you know that reference from the United States. Lots of activity, lots of people, lots of places to shop. There's several levels. I believe there's about 5 with the cinema on the top. Again, you see at the very top the movie snack bar, the cotton candy. There's just like people dancing upstairs and having a great time. Kind of a younger crowd at this mall, but it's ranked number 4 out of the top 6, and that's definitely one to check out. Coming in at number 3 was SM Mega Mall. This mall was basically the size of a planet, second only, I believe, to the Mall of Asia. This particular mall is just huge. It has everything you could possibly think to shop for. I mean, it's like the United States places. It has, you know, Under Armour, DC, all these places you see in the United States that you don't generally see. It has an ice skating rink as well. It has, of course, a cinema. And of course, as you're going to see here in a moment, it has a bowling alley. And not only that, it has like clinics and gyms actually inside of it. This thing literally like is its own type of planet. Seriously, it was so big, it was literally frightening. They have a laser tag arena, a gym, as you can see again right here, Stark Fitness, and then a clinic. And now we're taking the buggy / golf cart over to the mall, ranked number 2 in Rockwell. So we're about to check that out here in just a minute as this guy brings me right directly to it. Here we go, about to step off and on. So ranked at number 2 in Rockwell, we have the Power Plant Mall. This place is more of a higher end mall. The interior design is simply beautiful. They have lights under the escalators and on top of the escalators. They have a very nice cinema here. They have fantastic restaurants. One of my favorite places to get pizza in this place is at the Pizza Express. And one of my favorite places to get burgers, which you're going to see in a moment, is called Burger Blends. And one of the best sushi spots in this particular place is called Oma, O-O-M-A. They've got an Annie Ann's, which is a classic staple in the United States of people for like pretzels. But overall, as you can see, the interior design is beautiful. It's just a very nice place with a very nice vibe. I go there relatively often, and I will be probably until my lease is up in this particular Rockwell apartment. But overall, yes, it's ranked number 2 because it honestly is just, it has an incredible vibe to it. It's just so beautiful looking, aesthetically pleasing, and very nice mid-range to higher end shops at this place. And as you can see, I ordered the Blue Burger at 8 Cuts Burger Blends. Oh my god, I couldn't recommend it enough. So ranking number 1 is Podium Mall, and this mall literally looks like a freaking spaceship. When you walk into it and you look up, the ceilings are just so far above you. It's just like the most gorgeous mall I've seen, period, in Manila. The escalators are just lit up. Again, it literally looks like a spaceship. And this more of a higher end type of mall with Rolexes, the shops, and Omega shops. And they have very nice restaurants on the first floor level. And it's definitely a mall that you want to go to if you want to feel inspired and you want to feel like, wow, you can accomplish anything. It's just a fantastic energy going on here, and it's just really something that you don't want to miss out on. This has been Justin Spencer. I hope you got a ton of value out of this video. And please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.